Yes, hello y'all. Welcome. We gonna just get straight into this. So first I'm just cold washing her hair. I like to do it while she's in her hot chair girl because if I do it in the bathroom already or in the sink, she'll be all over the place and I feel like I can't get a good wash in like that. So I just let her sit in her hot chair and then just get the shampoo while her hair is damp and just comb all the way through it. Cause you washing your hair and you trying to be in the bathroom and comb through it, it just takes forever. And the child that they don't want to sit down. So it's better to just do it while they comfortable watching their cartoons. Peppa the Pig, Cocomelon, y'all know what I say. And then just combing through it like that. And then you can just easily rinse it out.
Just get ready for work. Work it to me, I'll be work. You see me do me dirty. Tell me about that work. You see me do me dirty. When you walk on before the table.
Yeah, it's the sky.
So now after I towel dried her hair and washed out all the shampoo, I'm just using a Dream Kids moisturizer. And I'm trying to touch every single hair on her head because when you moisturize it, after you wash it and condition it, of course, you want to make sure you moisturize it because if you don't, it could cause breakage. So try to get it all through their hair. Even though it might look a little white, the hair looks a little white, just keep brushing it through and then it'll dry up. You can use a towel like how I'm using right here and dry it up, and here she is.
We just need to slow the motion. Don't get out of way to no one. Long distance, I need you. When I see potential, I just gotta see it through. If you had a twin, I would still choose you. I don't wanna rush into it if it's too soon, but I know you need to get done if you come over. Sorry if I'm way less friendly. I got niggas trying to end me off, yeah. I spilled all my emotions tonight, I'm sorry. Rolling. How many more shots until you're rolling? We just need face to face. You could pick the time and the place. You could spend some time away. Now you need to forward and give me all
So here I already started doing the wash and go in the back, and what I mean by wash and go is just adding in the product, and I'm gonna list all the product below, and also I'm gonna go ahead and insert the little clips of what I use right here at the spray bottle part. Y'all gonna see what I use. I started off with the anti-shortage cream so that her hair won't be super shrunk and stuff like that, and it's actually works. So if you're dealing with shortage, use this right here. You see it? Use that, girl. And like I said, I'm gonna list it down below. So start off with that. Then you want to go in with your jam or your gel, whatever you want to use to bring in that curl definition, and then just get it all through there and keep on combing it or brushing through it so those curls can be as defined as possible. And then when you use your oil, yes, because that's gonna keep the moisture locked in. So like I said, right now it's not super cute. It's looking, honey, it's just looking like snow is in her hair. But once it dries all the way in, it's going to be beautiful. Because let me tell y'all, that's why you got to trust the process, because the process is not always beautiful. It's like when you bake a cake. Don't take it out until that oven go beep. Because if that oven didn't go beep, that cake is not ready. So trust the process, y'all.
Me, myself, and I, that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend. Me, myself, and I, that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend. Controlling, you say that you love me, but you don't. Your family told me one day I would see it on my own. Next thing I know, I'm dealing with your 3 kids in my home. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong.
I promise y'all, I am not being rough with her. I just had to speed up the video because y'all know we don't want to sit here and watch no 20-minute hair tutorial. Let's be real, we don't want to. So I was just speeding it up, and that's why it looks like I'm being rough. But I promise y'all I'm not. It just looked like that on fast forward speed or whatever. She's all right.
Myself and I, that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend. Me, myself, and I, that's all. Ladies, if you tell me, help me sing it out.
It's OREYO. DJ Ori.
I believed everything we had would last. So young and naive of me to.
Because what's a hairstyle, a good one, without the baby hair out, honey? And take advantage of y'all baby having these baby hairs that we don't got to use all this extra jam and gel and stuff like that to hold it down. So use that baby hair brush and just brush it down, girl, okay?
With me, you're a changed man. Wish me to compete when you cheat with those women. Took me some time, but now I'm moved on. Cause I realize I got me, myself, and I. That's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend. Me, myself, and I. That's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend. Controlling, you say that you love me, but you don't. Your family told me one day I would see it on my own. Next thing I know, I'm dealing with your 3 kids in my home. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. Now that it's over, stop calling me. Come pick up your clothes. No need to front like you're still with me. All your homies know. Even your very best friend tried to warn.
Okay, girls, I am not perfecting the parts because this is a tutorial. I'm trying to do like 7 different hairstyles in one setting on a 1-year-old. So y'all, the parts are not gonna be super straight, but y'all get the idea. Okay, look, we did good.
Got in the end, that's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend. I be myself and I know that I will never disappoint myself. 1,000 times. All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out. Yeah, you hurt me, but I learned a lot along the way. After all the rain, you see the sun come out again. But I learned a lot along the way. After all the rain, you see the sun come out again. Yeah.
That back, can't do it like that. No, I argue, you yeah, but you take me back. Who cares when it feels like crack?
Y'all do not mind my couch in the background, honey. I thought I was gonna be able to edit it out, but we was just washing it and I was trying to hurry up, so we did not put the cushions and stuff back on. The marker didn't come out because kids had a color on the couch when I'm not looking. So do not be judging me for that, y'all.
Fuck your pride, just take it on back, boy. Take it on back, boy. Take it back all night. Just take it on back, take it on back. Do what you gotta do. Keep me up all night. Hurting vibe and it hurts inside when I look you in your eye. What are you willing to do? Oh, tell me what you're willing to do. Kiss it, baby. What are you willing to do? Oh, tell me what you're willing to do. Kiss it, baby. Waiting on that sunshine, boy. I think I need that back. Can't do it like that. No one else gon' get it like that. So are you here? Here to take me back. Who cares when it feels like crack? But you know that you always do it right. Man, fuck your pride. Just take it on back, boy. Take it on back, boy. Take it back all night. Just take it on back. Take it on back. Do what you gotta do. Keep me up all night. Hurting vibe and it hurts inside when I look you in your eye. What are you willing to do? Oh, tell me what you're willing to do. Kiss it, baby. What are you willing to do? Oh, tell me what you're willing to do. that sunshine, boy, I think I need that back. Can't do it like that. No one else gon' get it like that. So are you here? Here to take me back. Who cares when it feels like crack? But you know that you always do it right. Man, fuck your pride. Just take it on back, boy. Take it on back, boy. Take it back all night. Just take it on back. Take it on back. Do what you gotta do. Give me up all night.
Mama say take you, say baby.
When I look you in your eye. What are you willing to do? Oh, tell me what you're willing to do. What are you willing to do? Oh, tell me what you're willing to do.
Also, you can go on Amazon. That's where I go to get her cute little bonnets and stuff. And it's even reversible. So y'all can secure the hairstyle. No need in doing the hairstyles without securing it. So secure it and it's to stay on at night. It's the best one. I'm going to link the description below.